afternoon. Welcome everybody to the Adani Women's Maharashtra Premier League. Match number 6 coming up shortly. Ratnagiri Jets will take on Pune Warriors, the table toppers.
The news from the centre, the Ratnagiri Jets have won the toss and it's absolutely no surprise. They will be bowling first.
Yes, Smriti Mandhana has made her call. That's the lineup for both sides. Smriti Mandhana leading a confident lineup. They've lost one game, but they look good so far in the tournament. The other end, Pune Warriors led by Anuja Patil, unbeaten so far.
They choose to bowl first. Khushi-Mullah, the right-hander batter, is there in the middle.
पहली गेंद के साथ ऋतुजा काळे तैयार हो जाएंगी यहाँ पर गेंदबाजी करने के लिए. Counting down to the action. And here we go with the first delivery. Nicely bowled that, and what a start. Good start here.
Yes, Rutuja Kare given the response.
Is that one nicely? Needed better effort on the field, but a boundary nonetheless. A gift really. Nicely placed that one in the mid-wicket region. Will get another boundary.
उनके रन आए जरूर है और ये कॉटन बॉल की गुंजाइश. व्हाट अ कैच, बढ़िया कैच. यहाँ पे जाना होगा वापस सुहानी को.
Good strike. Suhani Kandal gone for 13. It's 14 for 1. Ratnagiri Jets, Akshaya Zadav is here at number.
What a shot, what a shot. Right middle from the bat.
Again floated that one nicely. Terrific shot there. Second boundary in the over.
Excellent square.
Starts from the other end, from the Kannur end. And the first ball is very well played. Again gets a boundary.
Of the MCA Stadium. Gotta love these drone shots, and just like that, she manages to. Who wouldn't mind an ice cream? Bhakti in her first over. Somebody give her us ice cream. Love.
That's why a wrist spinner is always handy. This one goes straight, doesn't turn so much. And then Akshay Jadhav goes on to 15. Pune Warriors 50.
Much run so far. She got that 30.
Crunched off the back foot. Should challenge the fielders in the third region. Gets a boundary. Whacked off the back foot again. This is terrific back foot play from Khushi-Mullah either side of the square. First last ball of the 12th. Anuja Patil comes down the track and lofts it all the way.
Trust me, it gives you a lot of experience, and this is what experience does. What a shot by Anuja Patil. 4 of the
1-5-2 by Chandresh. Let's see.
And there it is. Khushi-Mullah getting to her half century. Well played. Well played. 6 boundaries in that innings. Third player.
150. And that is very close. Will this be given? Yes, it's given. The wicket that they needed. Anuja Patil, the captain, goes.
The partnership was nicely building up. Quite unnecessary that from the skipper. Plumb in front. No doubt whatsoever in the mind. Anuja Patil walks off the field for 27. It's 110 for 3.
She's given that plenty of flight, and the batsman says, I'll take all of that.
Long on ke area mein. Back foot, front foot, she has been playing so well. The boundary.
Khushi. Optimistic appeal. Is that going to be leg buys?
Can you rock and roll that for me? Okay, clear guard as the ball. Ball tracking coming up. Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets missing. Original decision is not out. Going back to Sandeep on screen, please. Sandeep, you can stay with your decision of not out. Stand.
There you go. She struck that so well. Take 6. Crucial blow from Shweta.
इजीली, बहुत ही बढ़िया टाइमिंग, यहाँ पर गैप में है, चौका मिलेगा, कमाल का शॉट, खुशी।
This could go straight to the fielder, and it will. And look at that for a celebration.
खुशी मुल्ला ने 54 गेंदों में 145 पर 4।
Chinmay Borphale. Oh, smart. This will be signal wide, but they wouldn't mind that because they pick up another wicket.
146 पर 5, पुनेरी वॉरियर।
Oh, that is good. With the arm, Sanjana is so good. Accurate. Try.
इनिंग 15 रन की, वापस जाना पड़ेगा, 146 पर 6।
Oh, could be one more. Wickets are falling in a heap now. 2 in 2 in the last over, 2 in 2 now. And they could.
बैक शॉर्ट बॉल था, इतना शॉर्ट भी नहीं, सीधा बॉलर के पास कैच पकड़ा यहाँ पर संजना ने। श्वेता ने कोई रन नहीं बनाया। 146।
Short delivery once again, erring in length. Will be a single. They get to 150. They'll try to squeeze in a second. Oh, it's all happening. It's been an eventful couple of last overs. He'll go up to the.
Keep it rolling.
आउट है, बिल्कुल काफी दूर रह गए।
The back.
There you go. The Pune Warriors. Fascinating second half coming up now. Really well at the top. Khushi Mulla, 68 of 54. And she got a good partnership. First support from Suhani. As many as 5 bowlers have picked up wickets. And for me, leaves the Ratnagiri Jets with 152 to get in their 20 overs to pick up their second win and hand the Pune Warriors their first defeat. Should be a real.
That Gautami Naik has been putting it. She's in good form.
Chase. She has dropped herself down the order. Gautami Naik's been very impressed. And Anushri Swami, who bowled 2 overs and picked up a ready. Chinmay Borphale will start our proceedings. 5 wickets leaving the station. Well bowled, very well bowled. Some communication gap, but fine. Struck nicely down the ground. Laibari. Nicely struck there, but straight to the fielder. First run.
अनुजा पाटिल दूसरा ही विकेट है इनका इस सीजन में, लेकिन इकोनॉमी बहुत जबरदस्त है। पावर प्ले में गेंदबाजी करने आई और ने बनाए 2 रन, 10 पे 1। बहुत कमाल का होता है इनका, वो गेंद है ना बाहर की तरफ जाता है हवा में, उसी में बहुत सारे बैटर्स आउट होते हैं।
Came in nicely, sharply. Huge appeal given. Nyanada Nikam trapped right in front.
वापस जाना होगा, 0 पे आउट हुई हैं, 11 पे 2 जेट्स।
Steps out to face the music. Ratnagiri Jet skipper. What a start. What a start by Makti Miraskar. Gets a boundary. The asking rate slowly keeping up. Straight. Gone. Wicket number 3. For 5, it's 18 for 3. And see, what a way to start her innings with a.
But now it's going to be the real test. Cut shot, 4 runs. And Gautami Naik is up and running.
यार प्लेयर है और गौतमी गेंद हवा में और गौतमी भी आउट हो गई है। बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश।
At mid-on, this is a big one. 15 of 12. This could well open the game up. It's advantage.
21 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स, ये बड़ा शॉट था, चौका मिलेगा स्मृति को। थोड़ी शॉर्ट गेंद का पूरा फायदा उठाया स्मृति मंदाना ने। उसका क्लास, जो दूसरी लड़कियां है टीम में जो साथ में खेल रही है और अपोजिशन भी है, एक ऐसी बल्लेबाजी करना इनके साथ इनके से सीखिए आप.
Waits on that shorter delivery, rocks back, pivots nicely.
का बॉर्डर पे है, कहीं गुजरात बॉर्डर पे है. बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर. ये पहला छक्का स्मृति मंदाना. क्या क्लास शॉट.
Doesn't overhit it. Just gorgeous flow of the bat. Look at that. Goes well past the yellow boundary rope and put the boundaries back for Smriti Mandhana. She doesn't need it up front. Look at that. An extension of the arm.
If some other batter is there, is it only because of timing? Is it because of wood what she's having? Look at that. This is one more from Shruti's bat. Another boundary. बड़ा शॉट आ सकता है यहाँ पे. स्मृति तैयारी थी, उनको वही करना था, उसी के लिए रुकी थी, दूसरी रन भागी नहीं और ये बाउंड्री उनकी बैट से आती हुई.
Maharashtra, look at that, going to the pitch of the ball, great swing of the arms, excellent bat speed, and she collects a useful 4.
That's the reason she kept this.
And it just gets better. The strike rate. Smriti Mandhana hits it into the gap. The ball races to the fence for yet another boundary. Excellent stroke making from the captain of Ratnagiri Jets, Smriti Mandhana. This will be an excellent matchup between the two captains, Anuja Patil and Smriti Mandhana. But at the moment, the captain of Ratnagiri Jets is holding the fourth stroke.
कि इनिंग कैसे बिल्ड करनी है. और ये हवा में गेट और कैच छोड़ दिया है और मैच भी.
Oh boy, how big is that going to be? Rub salt into the wounds, why not?
एक बहुत बड़ा छक्का था ये. घुटने टेके थे और मिड विकेट की दिशा. और वेट आप देखो तो पीछे होता है. ये हवा में गेंद यहाँ पर कैच हो सकता है. बढ़िया कैच. ओहो, कमाल का कैच. पीछे भागते हुए.
जेट्स की ये गाड़ी लटक जाएगी क्योंकि एक बेहतरीन कैच वहां पे लपका और स्मृति मांधाना का विकेट. स्मृति मांधाना 61 रन आकर आउट. रत्नागिरी जेट्स 112 पे 5.
इतना बढ़िया कैच. पीछे भागकर ये शॉट गेंद. अच्छी फील्डिंग. रन आउट का मौका.
I have reached back. I'm safe.
I think Priyanka will be pretty upset that she hit that straight to the fielder. Nobody behind. That is a good one. Waited on it to find that gap between the two.
Thick edge off the bat of Rasika. They are going for that single run. Good throw towards the non-strikers and they go up in appeal. Looks like this is going to be a close call. With wicket, Shinde goes back for 5.
अपने ऊपर ही दबाव बना रहे हैं यहाँ पे. लीजिए, यहाँ विकेट गिर सकती है और गिर भी गई है विकेट.
And Khorke back in the hut for 25.
पड़ेगी नहीं तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगी टीम के लिए.
Tejaswini connects this time. There is a fielder, but it evades.
बड़े गैप्स हैं जहाँ रन बना सकती हैं. ये बिल्कुल सीधा मारा है. 4 और जोड़ दीजिए. वापसी कर रहे हैं जेट्स.
Striker Sanjana is retiring out of the screws, but it's gone up and Khushi goes for the catch of her own bowling. Tejaswini doesn't connect, and that could be what a story that is going to be. Sweeper cover brought into the 25-yard circle. It has to be a maximum. Tejaswini shuffles across, hikes it into the leg side. Khushi Mulla delivers a match-winning performance. She is elated, as are Pune Warriors, as they extend their undefeated streak at the Adani WMPL with this 5-run victory over the Ratnagiri Jets, led by Smriti Mandhana. To her tally today, and Anuja Patil and Smriti Mandhana, the two captains, shaking hands now. Smriti would be very mindful of the result and what it does to the chances of Ratnagiri Jets here. Back-to-back defeats for Mandhana's side. Who knows, in a few months' time, she could be donning India colours. 7 wickets across 2 matches in as many days.